Checking a solution. A solution is made up of two equal expressions. A solution is the value of the variable that makes the equation true. So let's look at example 1. Is the deposition rate equal to 6.75 kilograms per hour? We're going to use the equation below. So this shows that we have 26 kilograms of weld that's done in 4 hours. So what we need to do is to see, is this correct? Are these two equal to each other? As in, what's on the left is equal to 26 divided by 4. So that's our question. So we're going to have to go ahead and divide 26 by 4. 4 cannot go into 2, but it can go into 26 6 times. So 4 times 6 is 24. Go ahead and subtract and we get 2. We're going to need to add some zeros. So we go ahead and bring down that 0. 4 can go into 20 5 times, because 4 times 5 is 20. We subtract and we get 0. We're going to go ahead and bring that decimal up. So we have 6.5. So this is not equal. So we would say no, as 26 divided by 4 is actually equal to 6.5 kilograms per hour. Now let's do another example. Example 2. Is x equal to 4 the solution to negative 3x plus 6, which is equal to 1? So we have minus 3x plus 6 equal to 1. So we're asking what's ever on the left. If we put in x is equal to 4 for here, is that actually equal to 1? So that's what we're checking. So what we go is negative 3. We're going to go ahead and put in 4 for x. Then plus 6 is equal to 1. So now we have negative 3 times 4. So that's negative 12. Then we have plus 6 and equal to 1. Now, negative 12 plus 6. That's actually equal to negative 6. And therefore, this is not a solution. So the answer is no. X does not equal 4 for this.